Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2020 Ram ProMaster 3500. This is going to be stock number 13062. And as you guys can tell, this is our high roof cargo van. And it also has our commercial fold-away parcel shelving, which I'll go ahead and show you guys when we're in the back. As we're walking around, I will go ahead and just show you guys a quick view of our tires, so you guys have a good idea of the tread that we have on these tires. Now, of course, all of our vehicles are fully reconditioned, so we like to make sure that all of the trucks have the chassis painted, and that way that whenever they're heading out with you guys, they're in perfect condition. Now moving towards the back, I will go ahead and give you guys a close-up and show you guys around this way. With our head-on view of the actual rear side of the cargo area, this is how it looks like. Up here we do have our camera, which is nice whenever reversing. And then of course we do have our step stool. Now I'll go ahead and open up the doors and show you guys a quick view of the inside of the cargo area. And now with both of our cargo doors open, our opening width is going to be 5'1", with our opening height from top to bottom being 5'10". Now, of course, we do have our grab handles right here at the entrance, which is nice when you're actually trying to climb in here. It acts as support for you guys. And then we also have our fold-away shelving. So this is just one that's already dropped down, so you guys have a view of what that would look like. And then, of course, how they look as they're folded away. Now we do have our bulkhead partition on that side, and it has a sliding door. And then we also have our side sliding door on that side of the cargo van itself with another grab handle. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick view from that side. But before doing so, I would like to let you guys know that we do have a length of 10'11" back here and a width of 5'11", with the interior height being 6'3". Now I'll go ahead and close this up and then go around towards the actual sliding door. Walking around this way, I went ahead and just opened up the actual sliding door, just so I'm able to have easy access in here. As you can tell, this is going to be our view from this angle, with the sliding door right over here. Over here, we do have our opening width from side to side of 4'3", with our height being 5'8". And now I'll go ahead and just walk in there and show you guys a quick close-up of our shelving, just so you guys have a view of what it looks like when we're actually dropping the shelves. And then of course just popping them right back up. And this is our process for all of them. Now I'll also go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like from our sliding door. And this gives you guys a quick and open view of the actual cabin area and what it looks like from this angle. And I'll go ahead and just hop into the driver's seat and show you guys our close-up. Being seated at our steering wheel, this is just going to be a quick view of what that looks like. At the back part, we do see that it has 88,212 miles. Over to the left side of the steering wheel itself, we do have our powered locks, windows, and our side mirrors, as you can tell. And then we also have our manual fold-away feature for the side mirrors. Coming over to the right side of the steering wheel itself, this is going to be our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, aux, and it also has Bluetooth connection. Now it's really nice because we also have a touch screen, so you're able to use this touch, and then we're also able to use the controls that we have on the steering wheel itself to connect to this. Right below that is going to be our AC and our heater. These run really good, and honestly in the weather that's constantly changing, these come in handy. As you can tell, here in Colorado it is very chaotic weather-wise. Now moving over here, we do have our USB plug-in, and then this is going to be for our devices with some cup holders right down below. Now we do have our backup camera right up here, so that's a nice additive. We were able to have a bigger screen, able to see a wider angle from the view of the reverse camera. And then, as you can tell, we do have our two open middle seat areas with our sliding bulkhead partition. Now I'll go ahead and just give you guys a quick close-up of our engine. Dash Trucks likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned. So please take a quick look at our 3.6 liter V6 engine. This does hold 280 horsepower and it runs off of a 6-speed automatic transmission. So as you guys can tell, the quality of our engines are amazing. They look very, very nice. And now we'll wrap it up for today's 2020 Ram ProMaster 3500. This is going to be our high roof cargo van. If you guys have any other questions on this cargo van with our fold away parcel shelves, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually answer after hours when needed. Don't forget to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. The very last reminder for you guys is to make sure that you guys go down below and read that small information snippet. I will be writing down everything I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.